Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to fix Wi-Fi icon not showing up on Windows taskbar. Alright, so let's begin with the video. The first thing you should do is use the built-in network troubleshooter. In Windows 11, right-click the Start menu in the bottom left corner of your screen and select Settings from the menu. In the Settings window, click on System from the left-hand panel. Scroll down and select Troubleshoot. From the list of options, click Other Troubleshooters to access additional troubleshooting tools. Look for the Internet Connections option and click Run next to it. Follow the on-screen instructions. You'll be prompted to select whether you're troubleshooting your connection to the Internet or a specific web page. Choose the option that applies to your situation. The troubleshooter will analyze your system for network-related issues and suggest possible solutions. If the troubleshooter identifies and resolves the problem, check to see if the Wi-Fi icon is now visible in the taskbar. If the network troubleshooter doesn't fix the issue, the next step is to manually disable and re-enable your Wi-Fi adapter. This method refreshes the connection and can often fix missing Wi-Fi icons. Open the Start menu and press the Windows key and R to open the Run dialog box. Type ncpa.cpl into the box and hit Enter. This will open the Network Connections window. Locate your Wi-Fi adapter in the list of network adapters. It will usually be labeled something like Wi-Fi or Wireless Network Connection. Right-click on the Wi-Fi adapter and select Disable from the context menu. Wait for a few seconds. Then right-click on the adapter again and select Enable to re-enable it. Once re-enabled, check if the Wi-Fi icon appears on a taskbar. You can also test if your internet connection works properly. Sometimes the Wi-Fi option gets disabled in the network and internet settings. Go to your settings by pressing the Windows key and I or right-clicking the Start menu and selecting Settings. Navigate to Network and Internet. In the left-hand menu, select Wi-Fi from the right-hand menu. Ensure that Wi-Fi is toggled on. If it's off, turn it on. Look for the Manage Node Networks or Advanced Network Settings option and verify that your network is listed and enabled. If the Wi-Fi option was off and you've turned it on, the icon should now appear in the taskbar. If disabling and enabling the Wi-Fi adapter doesn't solve the problem, try restarting your PC. A restart refreshes system settings and resolves many temporary glitches, including missing icons. Click the Start menu and select the power icon. Choose Restart from these options. Once your PC restarts, check if the Wi-Fi icon has reappeared on a taskbar. Outdated or corrupted network drivers can cause the Wi-Fi icon to disappear. Updating the drivers can fix the issue. Right-click the Start menu and select Device Manager in the Device Manager window. Expands the Network Adapter section. Locate your Wi-Fi adapter. Right-click it and select Update Driver. Choose Search automatically for drivers to let Windows find and install the latest driver for your adapter. After the driver update, restart your PC and check if the Wi-Fi icon is visible. If none of the previous methods work, resetting your network settings can resolve deeper configuration issues. Head back to your settings and go to Network and Internet. Scroll down and select Advanced Network Settings. Under More Settings, click Network Reset. Confirm the reset by clicking Reset. Now this will remove and reinstall all network adapters and reset your network settings to default. Restart your PC. Once the reset is complete after resetting, reconnect to your Wi-Fi network and check if the icon appears. So that's basically how you can fix Wi-Fi icon not showing up on Windows taskbar. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.